Hello. Today I want to show you something about how do I test a machine learning model before I go to a real environment, to a car in this case. And typically I start with the YouTube videos and try to expose a sensor or a model with different kind of sounds, and of course I want to test it on the noises and on the desired sounds, which is the siren, of course, in this case. And this is kind of first test, and it can show you whether it makes sense to make another progress, to go to a real environment, and if at this case will shows very bad results, you know that it's better to try train model again or use a different data set and so on. So okay, so I have two sensors here. One is with a newer version with a solar panel, and the second is the older without a solar panel. So I switch it on, it turns LED on a moment, and I prepared a few videos here. A typical video from the cars or car driver view on the road. So I put volume a little bit high, and of course I spent more time with playing those videos, but in this case just to show you a few moments, yeah, from different videos. Yeah, now I can try some more complex environment. This is some traffic in India. There are horns, a lot of horns, but of course the horn was not part of the data set for a recognition. So the sensors does not react to this. Typically I want to use sounds which are typical for that application. Yeah. So in this case I'm using as a noise, I'm using a lot of sounds of traffic and so on. So we may try another driving video. Yeah, this is typically this low frequency noise is what you hear when you're driving the car. And as I mentioned in one of the posts, I have recorded this sound and mix it with the siren in order to have a better sensitivity, because I found when you expose a sensor to this low frequency noise and then the siren is somewhere on the background, so this kind of noise masks your desired sound, and the sensor may not react properly. So this is what I have recorded and mixed it with the different sirens. Okay, we may try some sirens. Let's start, let's say, with this one. Yeah, this was some nice recording, clean sound. Sometimes I try more complex environment where the sounds of sirens are mixed with another sounds. Let's try this one. Oh, it's the same. This is. That's the correct one. Yeah, so you could see that there are sometimes you can see some gap in the detection, but of course that was more complex environment. Some horns where can be heard on the background. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, so that on these few examples, I just wanted to even the showcase how the model is robust against different kind of sounds, and of course the real testing will always need to be performed in the real environment, but then you of course need to spend lots of time with that. It's more time consuming, so this is kind of first highlight to show you whether the model has a good chance to perform well in a real environment. Okay, so thanks, and I hope I will make another update about the testing soon.